Righto, okay, welcome back. Hopefully you can see what I'm doing here. Now, this is the work zone glue gun. I've used the glue gun at work for many years, but of course it's been of a better design than what this one is, and it works a lot hotter. So hopefully this is going to do the job, and also hopefully it'll give an idea of how these work out as far as us guys are concerned. So here we go. Now I'm hoping that this is going to be hot enough to hold this, especially when my mad muggy gets his hands on it, or should I say paws. Now when I did a little bit of a test on this before, it wasn't all that good, but at the moment I don't know, with this material it seems to be working. Now unfortunately people, I don't edit me videos, so it might be a little bit of a long process, so I do apologise for that. It's I haven't got into editing at the moment. I'm not saying I haven't got the time, I have, because I'm retired, but I just haven't got into that. And I think, to be quite honest with you, it's a lot better when you don't edit these things, because then you can't see the mistakes that you make. And we do make mistakes. None of us, no matter who we are infallible of that little process. As much as we'd like to think that we were, we're not. Okay, chop that off there. And I'll sort that out in a minute. But at the moment, this seems to be working. Now, what I'm going to do now is I'm going to double up on this to try and fill in this gap a little bit quicker. Otherwise, we're going to be here all day, and I probably will be any road, so, but I don't want to drag you lovely people along on such a pointless, that's wham, brave a journey. And as I say, I don't even know if this is going to work, but we'll give it a try anyway. And what do they say? God loves to try it. Well, we certainly try. We ain't perfect by no means. And I don't think you should profess to be. I think really you should be as you are, you know. Seems like with me, what you see is what you get. There's no airs and graces, no magic, just me messing about, being a bit of a clown, I suppose. Well, you've got to have fun. If you don't have fun while you're doing something like this, then I don't think you're enjoying yourself. You've got to have a laugh, and you've got to be able to laugh at yourself. And being a silly old bugger like me, I laugh at myself quite a lot. Because, you know, it's the way it goes, isn't it? It's the way it goes. Well, things looking up great, so I'm not going to bore you with any more. I think you can see what it is. So what I'll do is I'll knock off from doing the video. But I'll just turn that up a little bit. I do apologise. And turn it around to face myself a little bit. Okay, so I'll knock off from there as it is now, and then when I've got it done, I'll put something else up. And if I've got time, I'll get another video up today about something else. So for now, thank you very much. We will be back shortly when the job's finished. Bye bye.